Hello everyone, welcome back to SKCAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. I will first take this as a base. The base dimension is 300, 105 and 40 mm. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Select the right plane, create one rough sketch. Give the dimensions. This is 300 mm. This is 40, 20 mm, 20, give the vertical constraint, give the horizontal constraint. That's it, sketch is fully defined. Finish sketch. Here select mid plane 105 mm. Okay. Next select the right plane, sketch, select circle, create two circles, give the dimension 60 mm and 30 mm. Here to here 300 mm. Next select line, create sketch like this. Give the dimensions here to here 75 mm. This thickness is 13 mm. This height is 55 mm. Close the line here. Trim entities, trim this circle. You can give the fillet now 5 mm. Finish sketch, extrude, mid plane. Okay. Next select the right plane, sketch, select the 3-point arc, give the dimension 75 mm. Select this and this. Tangent. Finish sketch. Select rib. Reverse the direction. Thickness is 25 mm. Next select the right plane, sketch, select line, give the dimensions here to here 120 mm. This give the vertical constraint and tangent constraint. Next select convert entities, select this, and this. Okay, trim entities, trim this unwanted. So finish sketch, extrude, thickness we want only 25 mm. Select here fillet 75 mm. Select this edge and this edge. Next there is a 4 holes, that diameter is 15 mm. Hole, select here simple hole, drill sizes, diameter 15 mm, through hole, select the positions, give the dimensions, pitch is 70, here to here 40 mm. Give the horizontal constraint, give one more dimension, -35 mm. So sketch is fully defined, you can see bottom, finish. So holes are created. And also you can compare with the drawings, some fillets are missing. Assign material, Go with brushed steel. Go to edit appearances. Choose some color here as per your requirement. That's the today's session, friends. I hope all the features are completed. If anything is missing, please leave the comment below. And also once again requesting everyone, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session, friends.